Am I the only one that didn't know iOS 18 could be tricky? Let's break it down. First up, device model. Some older iPhones might struggle with iOS 18. Think unresponsive touchscreens and freezing cameras. Not fun, right? Next, battery life. iOS 18, especially the public beta, can drain your battery faster than usual. Keep that charger handy. Performance is another biggie. Public beta users, brace yourselves for potential slowdowns and bugs. So, patience is key here, but hey, there's good news too. iOS 18 brings cool new features like a redesigned Photos app, more home screen and control center customization, and Apple Intelligence. Pretty sweet, huh? So should you install iOS 18 on your main device? If you love shiny new features and can handle a few hiccups, go for it. But if you need your phone running smoothly 24/7, maybe wait for the official release. Stay tuned for more tech tips. And as always, happy updating.